Let's go with an example of per t-test. Pre-test knowledge score of 5 students like 10, 12, 7, 13, 15. Then intervention has happened like a structured teaching program or any teaching methods are introduced to this group. After the intervention, we assess the post-test. So it was 12, 15, 10, 15, and 15. Now we want to find out whether the intervention significantly increases this knowledge score or not. In other way, is there a difference between this pre-test and post-test? In this case, the appropriate test is per t-test. So as soon as we write the formula first, t is equal to d bar into square root of n divided by sd. Now first we have to find out d bar. So what is d bar? Sum of d by n. What is d here? D is nothing but difference between x1 and x2. That is, d is nothing but x1 minus x2. So here 10 minus 12. This minus 2, minus 3. Here also minus 3. Here minus 2 and 0. Now we need sum of this d. It is minus 10. Then n is 5. So d bar is minus 10 by 5, it is minus 2.5. That is d bar. Now we got the d bar. N, we know it is 5. Next we have to find out SD. So formula is, as we know, sum of d square minus sum of d the whole squared by n whole divided by n minus 1. And in this formula, what we need is d square. So right now what we have is only d. We'll make one more column, d square. So it will be 4 and 3 square 9, again 9, again 4 and 0. Next we have to sum it. So summation is 26. So we got d square, we got sum of d 10 minus 10 and n. So substitute in the formula. So that is 26 minus 10 whole square divided by 5 whole divided by 5 minus 1. If you solve this, you will get SD as 1.224. So we know d bar minus 2, n 5, SD 1.224. Then use it in the formula. So t is equal to d bar into square root of n divided by SD. So if we compute here, minus 2 into square root of 5 divided by 1.224. Then we will get the value of t 3.651. This is the calculated t value. Next, find out the table value. So to get the table value, we need level of significance 0.05. Then we need DF, degrees of freedom. Here in per t-test, the formula is n minus 1. That is 5 minus 1. This 4. DF is 4. For 4 DF at 0.05 level of significance, let's find out the table value. So this is the table. As we know DF here. So DF is 4. It's 4 here. Then for two-tailed test, 0.05 is here. So corresponding to this number is 2.776 is the table value. So calculated value is 3.651. Table value is 2.776. So the conclusion is the calculated t value 3.651 is more than the table value 2.776. So we have to reject the null hypothesis. Hence accept the research hypothesis stating that there is significant difference in before and after knowledge score.